Hello, my lovelies. I am Cher with CRAFTEX, and today we're going to highlight some packaging. I know we typically do arrangements or wreaths or something like that, but the store has so much more things. So we're going to start highlighting some other things just so you can know what we do have. And one of the things, departments we have is packaging. So grab some Easter things. I'm going to be putting some things in this that are not CRAFTEX, and I'll let you know. But the packaging is CRAFTEX. Like these clear basket bags. We have all kind of sizes, all different types. We have the envelope type. We have the ones with the gusseted bottom. We have little tiny ones, pretzel ones. We have just a lot of different ones. And I picked this particular bag, and there are 25 in a package for $8.95. So if you do gift baskets or want to do something special, we got you for that. Another thing I did, instead of using a basket, I used these little, I don't know, they're like half boxes. I'll show you, because I already opened mine. And if you have any questions, just put it on there and somebody will read it to me, and I'll try to answer it for you. Oh, and we're still having our spring sale, which I'm going to show you. See these? This is the basket. See? Different sides. That's what I chose to. But you can put a basket in it. You can put whatever you want in it. So that's those. And we have all different kind of shred. We've got crinkle. We've got, this is a laminate. And I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm going to try to show you. But do you see there's iridescent in it? I don't know. Did my hand go down far enough? It's like one side's iridescent and one side's not. I just thought it was pretty. But we have the plain. We have the really, really fine kind. We have tissue paper. We have all kinds of stuff. But I just like this for what we're going to do with Easter. Okay, and these are our French ribbons. We have, I don't know, thousands of different types. This is just some that I grabbed, and you'll see how I used them. But these are 50% off. There's 27 yards on these. 27, and that's a lot of ribbon. So, see? Okay, we also have pull bows. For those of you that struggle with making bows, and I'm going to show you how to do a pull bow. There are 10 in this package for $9.95.
I struggle with making a pull bow.
You struggle with a pull bow?
I do. To
really?
be honest, yes.
Michael struggles with a pull bow. I'm going to show you the struggle. There's not instructions in here, but I'm going to show you. Okay. So far, see my little basket box and my shred and my bag. And then this is what I did because I'm going to make my little basket. I just put this, made this little bow. And also what I do, first of all, let me tell you a little trick. This stuff is like bunny rabbits. It grows. When you pull it out, like if you just pull out just like a little tiny bit, it grows. Like when it gets some space, I mean, it becomes a lot. So, if you got a lot of them you're going to do, I just put some tissue paper down in this part right here, and then put the shred on top. So, now I'm just going to put some things in it. You'll see how cute it is. Cute so far. This is not CRAFTEX. This bunny. This is from Walgreens. I just wanted to have something in there to show you how this works. Okay? Let's see. Of course, we need some eggs, and you see I put some shred out here. That's just because I want to use all of it. Just like that. Just here and there and everywhere. Of course, some jelly beans. Put some right here. And some chocolates. Look how cute they are. Look like little umbrellas. Here and there. I have a little pig. He's so cute. Little Pez bunny. He's so cute too. With some Pez candies. Oh, and a stressed carrot. Oops, we'll leave that one down there. Let me put my little carrot in there. Oh, his face. A little light up pen. Because you want it to be cute. And then these are just some heads of flowers that we had. And you might have some old heads of flowers laying around. You just stick them down in there. And look how cute that is. A little here, a little there. What was his name? Bob Ross. There's no... What was his name? They're all happy mistakes. Was that it?
I believe so.
Or you can correct me if I'm wrong, because I don't really remember. I did watch him when I was little, though. So, see how cute that is? I got some other things, but I'm not going to put them in there.
Tina says, so adorable.
So adorable. Let's see. And the good thing about this is, let's just say you get this in here and you go, you know, I really don't like that. Take it out. I think that looks okay. And here's another little tip for you. At the dollar store, you can get these little tiny, and you see that? It's a hair rubber band. And you use that to close your bag. That way, your ribbon isn't doing all the work. It can actually be...
Joan says, good afternoon. Vivian says, hola, buenas tardes.
Oh, hola! Good afternoon.
KMR Creation says, adorable.
Okay. So I have like a little, like if you were doing a little girl's hair, or anybody's hair, and a little top knot right there.
Carla says, that's clever. Good tip.
And these are pull bows. Let me show you how these work. Okay. They come in a package. There's
Mary?
one in each package. Yes, ma'am.
Mary says, I don't struggle with making bows because I took the class.
Excellent. Good. You're a testament. Okay. See, that's one bow in a package. And all you have to do is just lay it out like this. And see how where this end is? Do you see these? They're like curling ribbon. Okay? So all you have to do, and you'll see like there's a little staple right there. Okay? So let me split that open. See this? Lightly grasp that little staple and just start pulling. Okay. Ta-da!
Yay.
Now, what I do from here is you just tie a couple of knots so it doesn't come undone, because believe me, I've done that. Forgot to tie the knot. And you have a couple of choices when it comes, you can curl these little pieces. Let me go ahead and cut these off a little bit. They're a little long to deal with.
Lynn says, first time watching. Hello from England.
England, I love it. Thank you for watching.
Carla says, well, that was magic.
It is magic. And it looks good.
And Vivian is asking, oh, do you have different colors?
We have a lot of colors and sizes. We have little bitty tiny ones that probably puff up to about that wide, you know, little ball-like. And this is the biggest size we have in the pull bows, which is like kind of like a mum, is what it reminds me of. Okay, so back to this. A little top knot there. And all I have to do, I can do it on the side, I can do whatever I want to do because it's going to be my present. On the front, over here.
Dora Ortiz says, awesome, love that bow.
And then you tie it real tight. You can do an actual, you know, shoestring bow, like you're tying your shoes, like that. And see how you have these pieces hanging? You can either curl them or you can cut them off. It's up to you.
Cher KMR Creations is asking, do you happen to know if these things are available online? The ribbons and all those things?
The ribbons like this, they are not. When I say we have thousands of French ribbons, because that's what's on sale, is the French ribbon. If I had a true count, I would say there's easily 1,000 to 5,000 different types of these French ribbons. Different patterns, different colors, different everything. There are so many. I think it'd probably take our media department, I don't know, a year to upload them all. But the majority of our French ribbons, they are 27 yards on the spool, which if you're a ribbon person, you will be very excited about that. And yes, you have to buy the whole spool. We don't cut ribbon. So this is just what I chose for what I was putting together here today, was these colors, but they're literally thousands. As far as the packaging thing, they are also not on there because we have so many. We probably have, what would y'all say, 30, 40 different color of pull bows, easy, I'm guessing. And they do come in packages of 10. So each of these little packages is one bow.
Carla's asking, what is the material of the bow? What is it made of?
This particular one is like an acetate ribbon, if you're familiar with that. Familiar with the, we just had a phone drop. Anyway, it's like what you make the, here in Texas, we have homecoming mums, and the streamers and the backing is made from this type of ribbon. It's good for, it's inexpensive. You can make a lot out of it, but you do need to know how to work with it. That's what makes these so great. See how puffy it is, and they're so nice, and they look so great. We have other material in these. We have some glitter, we have metallic, we have, I think that's it. So this acetate type. And when I say glitter, it's not glitter on top, it's like the material itself is glitter. And I think those only come in silver and gold. And then the metallics is just a few colors, but the biggest selection of colors is in this type of material, which is like an acetate. These, lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of colors. The little boxes, for every holiday season, for every day, for thank yous, you name it. We have little tiny ones, bigger ones. We have apparel boxes. We have gable boxes, jewelry boxes. You name it, we have it or we can get it. And the shred, like I was saying, a lot of colors. We probably, I'm just guessing here, about 70, 75 different colors and types, because we have blends, which is like several different colors in there. Oh, and we also have the clear iridescent, like Easter grass. I know Easter grass is usually green, but we have the clear kind. We also have like these bags. We have them like super big down to little tiny. We also have shrink wrap bags. We also have shrink wrap rolls. We have cellophane rolls in all different colors. There's just so much to see. And eventually we're gonna do a video down in that area so you can see everything, because that's an area that we don't necessarily always go down because most people want to see arrangements made, florals made. CRAFTEX has a lot of books, and not everything is on our website, but we are working on it. Am I missing anything? No? Okay. We're good. If you have any questions, you need anything, call me at the store. My name is Cher. Actually, you can talk to anybody, but if you want to talk to me, that's who you ask for. I'm in the ribbon department. You can press that prompt too. And I can help you as best I can. Okay, thanks. Bye.